We've all had those nights where your body is tired, but your brain just won't shut off. You could spend a fortune on those fancy sleep rollers from the boutique, but those are mostly synthetic fragrance and they cost about $25 a pop. Today, I'm showing you how to make this Sweet Slumber Roll-On. It's all natural, it signals your brain that it's time to rest, and the best part is that it takes less than 60 seconds to make. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth. This roll-on is a bedtime blend that smells soothing, feels comforting, and supports relaxation. Most conventional sleep products use artificial fragrances or heavy perfumes, but this one is all natural, simple, and totally DIY. This is so simple to make. In your empty bottle, just add 4 drops of Sleepy Blend. This blend has lavender, grapefruit, whole wood, and bergamot. Lavender is famous for sleep, but that whole wood adds a grounding element that stops racing thoughts. Next, 2 drops of Tangerine. It sounds weird to use a citrus oil at night, but Tangerine brings a cheerful, sweet finish that helps you unwind rather than just knocking you out. Now pause. If you are making this for a little one aged 2 to 10, their skin is more sensitive, cut the recipe down. Just use 1 drop of Sleepy and 1 drop of Tangerine. Then fill the rest of the way with carrier oil. That gives you a gentle dilution safe for kids. For us adults, keep the original drops in there and top it off with fractionated coconut oil. Pop the roller cap back on and give it a swirl. And then you're done. That is instant calm. The lavender and whole wood hit you first, so soothing, but that tangerine adds a little sweetness so it doesn't smell medicinal. To use this, I like to keep it on my nightstand. Right before bed, I roll it on my wrists and behind my ears. It creates a scent association, basically training my brain that this means sleep. Now here's the secret to doing this on a budget, the Simply Earth recipe box. If you tried to buy lavender, tangerine, and a huge bottle of fractionated coconut oil separately at the store, it would cost a fortune. When you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, we send you the oils you need for that month, plus you get a big bonus box for free that includes the carrier oils like coconut oil that we used today and empty roller bottles. If you're watching this right now, check the link to see if the February box is still in stock. If you're watching this later, the link will take you to our current month's box, which is always packed with easy, toxin-free wins just like this one. If you make this, I want to see it. Snap a photo of your nightstand setup and tag us with #IMadeThis and from Simply Earth. I've linked the specific oils and recipe below. Now I have to ask, are you team lavender for sleep or do you prefer something woody like cedarwood? Let me know in the comments. Sweet dreams, Earthies.